Scrapbookers, this is Megan, and I am back today with layout or day number 7 from my December Daily 2020 album. I know I said I was gonna try to keep up with this in December, but as you know, with me lately, I can't do consistency. So this is what you get, a January continuation. So if you're tired of seeing December Daily, I totally understand. I thought I would post it anyway because I did record it. So today's layout is using my scrapbooking store kit from the month of December, which I absolutely loved. It was so just Christmassy, like the main green, reds, whites, and then like gingerbread men and trees, and just it was adorable and I loved it. So in the kit, the upgrade kit, which is embellishments, there were these Heidi Swap transparencies, and I think it's for her little light thing. I don't know what it's called, but I don't have one of those, and I wanted to show kind of a different way of incorporating something like that onto a layout. It's not meant for a layout, but I thought it would be kind of a fun way to use a supply differently. So I matted it or backed it with white paper so that you could see the tree. And then now I am trying to figure out how I'm going to add it onto a 3x4 paper. So I am doing pocket pages. That's how I always do December Daily. My goodness, I almost forgot what I was doing. That's how I always do December Daily, is with pocket pages. And so nothing's changed this year. On this day, it was a cold winter morning. I believe this was day number 7. I think that's what I'm working on. And this was 2020 again. So Brennan and I decided to take the dogs out for a walk, and it was super cold. I didn't record what the temperature was. I kind of wish I had, but oh well. And so I took a couple of photos so Brennan and I in one photo, the dogs in another, and then one of the houses that they put up these fun Rudolph, the red-nosed reindeer themed decorations outside their house. So I decided to put those, or take a photo of those too. So this is kind of what I've decided to do. I am going to change it up just a little bit. I did kind of think maybe I should put our picture on one, but it was a little bit bigger than a 3x4. So I didn't want to have to do that. And I'm okay with dividing photos and just having them be on 2 different cards. That doesn't bother me at all. I kind of think it's a little more creative, so, and more interesting for a pocket page layout. So never feel like you have to stick to the norm. I guess that's what I'm trying to say. Like, I never do anything that I don't feel like doing. Or if there is something that I want to do, but it's not the norm or, the traditional way of scrapbooking or anything like that, I just kind of do what I want. Which is what scrapbooking, I feel like, should be about. There shouldn't really be rules. Yes, there are rules for a reason, but at the same time, it's okay to break those rules. So the upgrade kit came with this pretty craft colored alpha, and I'm trying to figure out where I want to put this. So I have this card, and it had decorations and like a little saying on it. So I knew I needed to cover the top part of it up because it didn't really work with my photo. So I decided to put the word cold up there, and then the word walk is going to be on this card that I'm adding it to right now. And then the word I was thinking the whole title was going to be A Cold Walk, but I think in the end I decide just to have it say cold walk, and I don't put the A on that photo. Now I'm just going to use the sticker sheet that came in the main kit to embellish all of the photos, and I kept it really simple. I used some flowers, trees, and a few peppermints, I think, and then I'm gonna put this number 7. This did not come in the kit. This was from my December daily kit. And here is where I decided to take off that A. It just didn't look right to me. If I could have fit the word A, cold, both of those words on one card, I would have, but it just didn't work out. So this is where I kind of put away that A and move on. And now here I moved those 2 cards around. And then I am going to, I'm not sure what I'm doing here. I don't remember doing this. Oh, I'm going to write out the word morning. So cold morning walk is what it's going to, I totally forgot I had even done that. Haha, funny. So I did pull out these silver small alphas. They are just the Recollections brand, and they were just in my stash, my Christmas stash. So that worked out perfect, and I really love how it turned out. I am going to outline the words or the letters in this morning word just to make sure that you can see it, because it kind of was blending in with the photo a little bit. And that is it. Thank you so much for watching, and hopefully you'll see me a little bit more this month. Bye.